Yes.
The Teacher's Day without the student will never be celebrated here. So I'm so thankful. I want to say that teaching is special. Teachers is special only because of you all are here, and you give us the meaning of our work, and you give us joy in our heart, and you also give us hope in the future. By looking at you, we have a great hope, and making us excited to be here and serve the Lord our God Jesus Christ. This is because of you are here. And always remember that you are special one, and today you celebrated the Teacher's Day. I believe and hope that tomorrow someone will celebrate it for you. And as I stand here, I cannot forget the hard work and the contribution and the cooperation of the students. First of all, our student leaders, both boys and girls, at the same time all the class leaders, and then all the class from first year, second year, and third year for all your cooperation, and then for all your submissive hard work in terms of this decoration, beautiful decoration. I am overwhelmed to see, but I'm clearly the photos there, out there. So everything by looking, it's all awesome and beautiful. I'm always amazed that we have very, by looking the number of the students, our chapels it's already congested. We are big in number program, they can decorate, and then they can able to, you all can able to adjust this small room. That is, all this comes because of your cooperation, at the same time your thoughtful contribution of your hard work together. I thanks to all the students, all of you for contributing amount of money to celebrate this Teacher's Day. Without your contribution and without your organization of this program, that will never be happen first day. And also, I'm also thankful to all of you that you are going to provide a very special dinner for all of us. I can't wait. Very excited for that. Thank you so much for your love in terms of putting together this. Some years back, I promised myself that I will live and I will give the living testimony. I will let my teacher one day see that I give the best gift of the teacher for the teachers. And I realized that those realization came and give me a beginning of new life. Then I stood up and then I stopped thinking what the decision that I had made. And as a result, as I came out from that depression, after that, in 1 year, at the same years, I became as a teacher at the age of 24. At the age of 24, throughout the teachers' day, years and time come, I always remember that during those days, I was thinking that if I take my life, if I end up my life journey, my promise will be. So what I want to say is that in these 8 years of celebration of Teacher's Day, I remember and I realized that if the teacher were there, not me, if the teacher were there, not for me, I would not become like this, or I wouldn't stay or stand like this before you. This day, I respect all my teachers, and then I also could testify that because of their hard work and because of their thoughtful minds and because of their encouragement, I could live the life as someone today. Dear friends, I encourage you today. You may not have anything to give your teacher. As a teacher, I personally expect from the students, everyone can give the best gift for the Teacher's Day. Number one, if you give the best results of your life, that is the best gift. Number two, if you live the life of obedience, that is the best gift ever for the teachers. And I believe that one day you will be someone special somewhere where God wants you to be. And there, you may be also realizing and sharing your living testimony that teachers cannot give you success. Teachers cannot give you a prosperity life, but also they can only show you. Finally, as I end up my word, as I conclude my word, successful only comes within yourself. Only teacher can give you guidelines and some thought. Therefore, I wish you all the best on this Teacher's Day to fight for the good fight, and to fight for your future, and to fight for your education, and to be the best students ever, and also to be the best, learner and teacher someday. Thank you.